Hey, so you're using Kit for your email marketing. That's awesome, especially if you're a creator or coach. Kit makes email marketing simple and powerful, and some of you might already be familiar with Kit Insights for basic email attribution. But here's the thing. What if you want to see the complete picture? What if you want to see how email fits into your entire marketing strategy, from your ads, your funnels, your traffic sources, or even going beyond email insights? Today, I'm going to show you how connecting Kit to the full version of SegMetrics gives you that total visibility. Now, some of you might be using Kit Insights, which gives you basic email attribution right inside of Kit. And that's helpful for seeing which emails are generating revenue. But here's the reality. Email is just one piece of your marketing, right? You're probably running ads, creating content, posting on socials, running webinars and challenges. But the question is, how does that all work together? What channels are bringing in your best leads? How long does it take for someone to buy? How do you see that full journey? That's where connecting Kit to the full version of SegMetrics becomes incredibly powerful. SegMetrics gives you full attribution and visibility into your entire marketing ecosystem. From your emails, ads, traffic sources, funnels, it's all in one place. Now you can make smarter decisions about where to invest your time and budget. All right, let's jump into SegMetrics to see how this all works. Setting up the integration is super easy. Head to your integrations page in SegMetrics, find Kit, and click Connect. It will have you log into Kit if you aren't already. Go ahead and authorize the Kit account to connect to SegMetrics. Next, if all of your products and order processing takes place inside of Kit, be sure to enable the import payment data from Kit setting. And just like that, your Kit data starts flowing in. All your subscribers, tags, custom fields, and purchases, everything syncs automatically in the background. Now let me walk you through some powerful features. Let's jump over to the acquisition dashboard. This is where you can see exactly which channels are bringing in the most Kit subscribers. Check out the top sources widget right here. See how paid traffic brought in around 2,900 visitors and converted 1,200 of them into new subscribers on your Kit list? It's pretty solid. But look at the revenue column. That paid channel generated nearly $120K in revenue. Compare that to AI search. At 1,300 visitors, 424 new subscribers, but only $42K in revenue. Now you can see which channels aren't just growing your list, but actually bringing in subscribers who become paying customers. So what do you do with this? Simple, double down on what's working. In this case, your paid channel is crushing it. So maybe it's time to increase that ad budget. And those channels with zero revenue, either optimize them or cut them loose and reallocate that energy to your winners. Now let's check out the engagement dashboard. This is where you can see how your Kit subscribers are actually interacting with your content, from emails, website page visits, all of it. Look at the top metrics here. You've got 7,500 total subscribers, and 3,200 of them are actively engaged. That's about a 44% engagement rate. Your purchase rate is sitting at around 5%, and the average engagement value is about $50 per subscriber. This gives you a snapshot of how healthy your list actually is. Scroll down and you'll see the email performance section showing which specific email campaigns are driving the most subscribers and revenue. In this example, the Time Running Out campaign brought in 47 subscribers and generated $6,500 in revenue. Compare that to Last Chance with 46 subscribers and about double in revenue. And check out the web performance widget on the right. You can see which pages your subscribers are visiting and how much revenue those pages are driving. Your homepage brought in 3,100 subscribers and $155K in revenue. That's powerful stuff. So what do you do with this? Focus your energy on creating more content like what's already working. If certain email campaigns or pages are driving serious engagement and revenue, do more of that. And if something's struggling to produce revenue, it might be time to rethink your messaging or offers. Now let's dive into the advertising dashboard. This is where you can see the direct link between your paid ads and your Kit subscribers and customers they're bringing in. Check out the top line metrics. You spent $146K in ad spend, brought in 1,400 new subscribers and about $99 per subscriber, converted 165 of them into customers, and generated 156K in revenue. That's a 107% return on ad spend, which means you're profitable overall. But here's where it gets really powerful. Scroll down to the top sources widget and you can break down performance by individual campaigns. Look at the retargeting campaign. 31K in ad spend, 891 new subscribers, 91 customers, and 100K in revenue. That's a 318% return on ad spend. That's a winner. Compare that to YouTube retargeting, 33K in spend, but only 11K in revenue with a 34% return on ad spend. It's not so great. This tells you that you should scale up what's working and cut what's not. In this case, your retargeting campaign is crushing it, so throw more budget at it. YouTube retargeting, either fix the targeting and creative or shut it down and reallocate that budget to your profitable campaigns. That's how you maximize your ROI. Here's another really powerful use case. A/B testing your funnels using Kit tags. Let's say you're testing 2 different funnel paths, each with its own email nurture sequence. You tag each funnel accordingly inside of Kit. Now jump over to the orders dashboard and apply those tags as filters to the dashboard. Now check out the customer segments widget. Look at this. Funnel A brought in 195 orders and generated 147K in revenue. But funnel B, only 26 orders and 20K in revenue. It's a clear winner. Funnel A is crushing it. But here's where it gets even better. Look at the top order sources widget on the right. You can see which channels first brought those subscribers into your funnels. Paid ads brought in 155 orders worth 119K, while AI search brought in 56 orders at 42K. This tells you not only which funnel performs better, but also which traffic sources work best to get your subscribers into your funnels. So what do you do here? Double down on funnel A and scale up the channels feeding it. Get rid of or rework funnel B. That's data-driven optimization at its finest. With Kit and SegMetrics working together, you've got the complete analytics picture. Kit handles your email marketing beautifully, and SegMetrics tells you how your emails fit into your bigger marketing strategy. You'll see which channels are bringing in your best subscribers, how long your sales cycle really is, and where to focus your efforts to grow faster and more profitably. That's the power of seeing everything in one place. Well, that wraps things up. We've got lots more videos on the channel and new episodes coming to help you optimize your marketing with SegMetrics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.